Munchkin spoons are a popular choice among parents for feeding their babies and toddlers. These spoons are made of soft, BPA-free plastic and are designed with a shallow bowl and a long handle that's easy to grip. They come in a variety of colors and are affordable, making them a great choice for parents on a budget. One of the things I appreciated about these spoons was how soft and gentle they were on my baby's gums and teeth. The plastic was flexible enough to bend when my baby bit down on the spoon, which prevented any discomfort or injury. The shallow bowl was also a good size for small mouths, and the long handle made it easy for me to reach into jars of baby food and scrape out every last bit. Another feature I liked about these spoons was that they were easy to clean. They were dishwasher safe and could also be washed by hand with soap and water. The plastic material didn't stain or retain any odors, which was a big plus. In terms of value for money, these spoons were a great deal. They came in packs of 6 or more, which made them very affordable compared to some of the other options on the market. The fact that they were durable and easy to clean also meant that they could be used for a long time, which made them an even better value. However, one potential drawback of these spoons was that they weren't very durable. Over time, the plastic material could start to crack and break, especially if they were accidentally dropped or chewed on by a teething baby. This meant that they needed to be replaced fairly frequently. Overall, I would recommend Munchkin spoons to parents looking for an affordable and gentle option for feeding their babies and toddlers. They were soft, easy to clean, and had a good size and shape for small mouths. While they weren't the most durable option on the market, their affordability and ease of use made them a great choice for parents on a budget.